Check it out, boys. Listen, pal. We got our post beam detail we did here, bud. Coming into our custom H channel we made here. We had a 6-inch gap here. My man Brandon perfectly centered a batten on this for us. Relief bend each of these pieces in the break. Boom. Magnifique. Did the flashing along top just to tie it all in. We're leading into a horizontal brown detail around this window. Some custom trims. Let's do it. Alright boys, there you go. So you can see how, a little creativity, some ingenuity, some custom metalwork, bring things together, pal. You can see we got the H channel there, flowed from our blue vertical into our brown horizontal. Gave us a lot of flair, some character. Without going crazy over budget, we were able to get a little fancy. Carry on.